TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Margo bengia mwanchumu warigeria nuko saba kwaninga nogendrete kwegokya nemiroberia gendreta sembeo yensoko TV hikomi chiaragire chiabo na margoba seri tukeriga rie 23 mutionyi 12 umwako yigabwe chirubere 25 nchenkuru kwa Clinton ndigi ikaranso kenkomanyia senchira yobwenge hari to akwariganire na rito gendrete ko kwariganira senchira yobwikirano yekoraga ensemo na isato chia bono botko. Toska bosio mwancho murigari abona togo chakana robot Richi Semi maiga yobo tutukano kwenekiwa ase skuru au maiga ya machibu ya amatem yekrasi ya ikianda hasaba kwa ba KJC niko bono habaibori banyariko babako bwato kirobo semia ni wizara yechisemi enchira bwante kweneki kwikirania hemeroberio yogo chenjia habariko babo chiskuru onyachiri banyatiko babako chorwa ne serikali tichiringia ukwana somo igabugo chengera umuyigabo mweri bo mwaka hasaba alimu ba bobasi imanyikaine buna bobasi teachers welfare niko bono mo quantity survey kurwase ensemo yebungeria teso note Geoffrey Ochenge aiso kirena gukwandra igitambo kirabe buri babwente koimokia kweneki abuna ngokorera bana monchoria abariko babo bakejesa onya chiskuru chiri bachorretwe ne serikali tichiri kobago bose tichiri ase okobakonya bariko bakogendre ne chiseme.
We will win this seat. Sawa. We will win. I'm telling you today. Historical matter will tell us when we come together in we will do what? We will. The game is what? Are we having the same voice as it was before? Do we feel represented as teachers? When we hear about transfers from our colleagues here requesting to support them so that they can get their children to be placed in some specific senior schools. But allow me to bring it to your attention that that one is in the docket of the heads of institutions of the junior school. And therefore, sensitize our parents who are discontented to visit the junior schools where those learners sat their KJSL and request the head of the institution to initiate the transfer request online. And then once they have initiated, us at sub-county level, we shall approve. If it is that category of institution is in category C4. But if it is in category C3, the county directors of education will approve depending on the capacity. If it is in C3, the regional directors of education will approve. So it must begin with the head of institution. Please, the other sister is here, understand. Now, that's the reason, until your children's school really someone assessment. Read that head of the institution, I initiate the process online on the portal. You will go to the name of the learner, the assessment number, click there, go to transfer. There is an area for transfer, and that one now it will break up to headquarters, and we will be able to assist them. Gonna matter. Now, lakini drama initiated online, there is no much I can do. So let us sensitize our parents, and they should do it within this week.
Tokoska bosio mwanchumu rigereria aba Kenya nigo baburi gwegwe soya ase chisako au heriko egendereria ase meroberio yabo tambe hanemo na soko ene kyabunangwa kana bale school fees ya sabor kwa babo kero chisemikira chikurenderwa omwaka omuya o 2026 kago kwa na samagacho ATC asomo chobosongo nigo bono homo CEO wechi sako ase account yo esokire na kuboria bananchi hanemo no kurwa sorongo rwa gusi kwa ene kyabunangwa kwebeka bara ase enchirengi asoko chegoswa ase chisako kwegenderia ase chisekta wao.
Isaac Omwenga umu CEO wa Kenya Pamoja Sacco itukoria lero twagwate special general meeting iyarenge kugamba iguru ye budget na tugocha gutumia amatumizi aite mwaka 2026 igo twashaire na inde attendance of all our delegates yarenge ngia igi twagambire magana amangi ase ebinto biri twakwarire nigoro echi product twarifire gochesa members twarosire kwetera members buna batakire babe served from the ground. We have reviewed twarifire chi product echo bono toko encourage members nabo bagoicha sobonge baire those products chironi chiroro toko ire kere ibina bie business bito abana buna bagochikoyora gisukuru omwaka ogocha guchakira January abo bagoicha twabanyole chironi school fees loan twasire gochirwa nabo igo na chinde chonsi bali babwate biashara abo toko baya chironi bakorere biashara igo togo kutsabera abantu baminto members bonse pi kubakera ngambi yamono so gotobwatisia eso mwaka oyo erire bono eso gotobwatisia twaikire kolengera na gochimotwe mogende gotobwatisi boiro kubasabere Christmas yekia omwaka omuyo muya ende tonako bwatera gochimotwe
kuna twasomire kurwa sesa kama swali nabo ulikuwa abande babo nguru yo bwibwekawa bwibwechaye ase obwibwe boko base mikondo bwechaye ne chikawa chiko ibukuru mugondo mpaka chi factory ase bitanda amangana ya department ya security aba DO abantu bakora community policing ne chief chibwenete ko take action tugusaba chichibu chiroro chiteke action yasibari bonsi bakoiba muntu gotorecha ya abande kuru mugondo obwatu bobekume igo ndano security mbamanyete mono ngakibago deal na mangana yobwe n'abantu baito tumogana nga basikari boka gose chichibu cyoka chicheko kubakonyo boibi mboba inumwe kalendana omuntu okomukie kawa y'omuntu kurwa ase bitanda gose kwaecha mugondo gose kurusika kwa mugondo chitaraba abwatwe osabe reported na ndatekeregwa
tugosikobosio sorobotire okobwatekana na siasa mwancho murigeria hegati ya baraya ase kiama gia ODM nigo banyare koba bakoenekia eng'usanano hegati yabo ase bari bakoa okoboka serikali ase banyare koba bakomochana ng'ani ng'o obwente koba omonogeri bwa ekiama ekio ase okoria koenekia nkobwatana bare na serikali goikirania bose goikirania chia agenda 10 echio omorai bwense William Ruto babegete okoigwana amo n'omorai bwa ekiama ekio nyagosira Mheshimiwa Raila Odinga.
ODM is not for sale. Najua kuna watu wanataka kuuza chama cha ODM. I can produce even the evidence that there are some people who are trying to sell this great party called ODM. They want a hostile takeover. They are making a sweetheart deal over the biggest party in the Republic of Kenya. Na hiyo hatuwezi kukubali.
Broad base is conditional on the 10 points agenda. Vitu 10 ambazo Mheshimiwa Raila kabla akufe waliandikishana mkataba, akaweka kidole, Mheshimiwa Ruto akaweka kidole, wakaweka gazettement kwa Kenya Gazette, wakasema hiyo mkataba lazima itekelezwe by March 2026.
Sisi kama wana ODM tumesema uamuzi wa jinsi chama kitaenda kwa mwaka 2027 hautafanywa na viongozi wachache hapa juu. Tutakuja kwa hao wananchi tuwaulize mnataka tufanye namna gani. Na huo uamuzi mimi kama katibu nataka nitangaze hapa, wanachama wa ODM hawajafanya uamuzi wowote wa kuunga mtu yoyote mkono mwaka wa 2027.
Tugoska bosio mwancho murigeria hensi ya Kenya nigegendete kumurera hoyo kabeire umujumbe bwensemo ya Likuyani Mheshimiwa Enoch Kibungushi onyara kobaka gosiro bogima bwayo botukobogo kira rero kiragendete konyorobo bwenia senyagitari emo asomo chibwe Eldoret county ya Uasin Gishu kurengana ne amate yaye nigo wono bagoteba Mheshimiwa Likuyani nigabeire gakurwa ndrobo bogima bwaya sokonyorobo bwenia segeke getambe ekorende niganya tukobaka gosiria obogima bwaye kagendete konyora obo bwenia Mheshimiwa Kibungushi boigo nabete Nyambete umujumbe w'ensemo ya Lugari etaraba gwa kabere erinde echikoba eri ya Lugari neyo yalikuyani.
But as of last night, we got word that the situation had deteriorated and we lost him just before midnight. People of Lugari who are still in shock because Dr. Kibunguchi becomes the second former member of parliament of Lugari to lose his life in the last 2 weeks. Cyrus Jirongo, our brother, was the first. And we've not even buried Jirongo. We as the United Opposition have demanded the government clears the air. Here we get another blow of Kibunguchi leaving us. The family has explained to us what happened, the issues of food poisoning and the need for a post-mortem to be done. I think it's only in order that the hospital, the family, their wishes.
He has gone down. The doctors worked around the clock. He himself is a doctor and he has his own clinic here, so they know him very well. And so they worked very tirelessly with him. But then the condition continued to deteriorate as he stayed here. So we tried our level best, and yesterday
they stopped even treating him with his blood clot situation because of the antibiotics that they were giving him for the infection. Then the lungs kept on failing, and then his kidneys kept on failing. The blood count, we have pumped in almost 3 or 4 or 5 pints of blood, but whenever they do the blood count, it's still down, and there was severe bleeding from the intestine. We began retracing back, like where did this food poisoning come from? The aggressiveness of the food poisoning is what is concerning us, because I know when you have food poisoning, it takes you 2 days, you use the bathroom a little bit here and there and take some fluids and you come back.
Josephine. And actually, I don't even know how I have to begin. But all I want to say is that thank you everyone for coming here to condole with us. It's still a dream. Sometimes you want to believe it's just a dream. It's like we are waking up to reality today, to realize that Daktari is no more. He's lying quietly in the morgue. And all I can say at the moment is just we need your prayers.
Tukusikabasio mwanchumo rigereria higesaku ya Juran kurwase county ya Wajir nsemo ya North Eastern Kenya niko baisokire na gukwandra emiroberio hegandrete koenekiwa hasigesaku ekyokorigia kubwata cia serikali ya Kenya kwanza nsio buraibwae muraibwensi ya Kenya muske William Ruto asebarire eira yo guchako mubwata ciase sabari ya magendro abego koenekiwa gochoro kwae wentunde ya kabera sobo chorio bonde bodi bosio mwaka bwechirubere 2025
watu wale ni waziri yetu. Sisi tunataka atukujie huko Bute wakati anatuhudumia kwa banda ya hospitali. Na tunataka huduma yake. Tunaheshimu. Lakini sisi wakati wa sasa katika mkoa hii hatufurahi wakati viongozi wanafurutana hapa na pale.
Sisi hatutakubali watu ambaye wanataka maslahi ya tumbo yao peke yake. Jamii ya Juran ni jamii ya Juran tangu milele mpaka leo na itakaa hivyo na hakuna mtu ambaye anaweza kutenga wengine kando.
We also take this opportunity to commend His Excellency President William Samoei Ruto for his continued commitment to minorities and marginalized communities, including the establishment of a directorate under the Office of the President, specifically mandated to address their concerns. As loyal supporters of Kenya Kwanza government, the Ajuran community affirms its unwavering support for His Excellency the President and prays that his administration continues to consider the Ajuran community in appointments, representation, and national leadership opportunities. Let it be stated clearly and without any ambiguity, any attempt to drive a wedge between the Ajuran community and His Excellency President William Samoei Ruto is misguided and will not succeed, because that relationship is historic, principled, and well documented.
Mheshimiwa Ibrahim Abdi Sanei ni MP yetu ya kipekee. Sisi kama jamii ya Ajuran tuko na hiyo MP kutoka Wajir North. Ibrahim, Mheshimiwa akiongea anaongea on our behalf. Si mtu ya kawaida anaongea, ni MP yetu.
Tukoska bosio mwancho morigario oborendi niko bwatingiwe asensemo ya Tana River asebesa kubibere byabere bikurwa na sege kabono mutendri bwa abobisa boborendi asensemo ya Pwani niga akora kumerana negatia bagaka bensemeyo asebono barire yo guchakone kya omurembe nabega serikali nigo yaborire bonsi bari babwate hebirwaniro bitanchiri banyare ko babakubirani ari muri okabune ncheremo yo guchakone kyo botorwa sechinsemejo
hoja wakubaliane tuingie katikati. Kazi tumetoa
na tumeweza kueleza wazee pia kwamba tuweze kurejesha hizi bunduki. Tumeendelea na kutafuta wale ambao wanachochea na tunaendelea kutafuta wale ambao wanamiliki hizi silaha. Hata wazee kama uliongea nao wangekuambia tangu weekend hapa haijakalika.
We are going to carry out a large scale forceful disarmament after 60 days. Kama mtu yoyote ambaye ako na silaha atumie ina amnesty ya 60 days. Na still hata sisi tutakuja. Kama tukikupata bado uko naye na huja surrender, it will be a different case altogether.
Wazee wamesema waje tukutane ili tuelewane, tusikosane upande yote, waje turudiane. Sasa wakati wanangojea kurudiana, hawa wenzetu Dagodia walienda kuchukua askari na kuwaweka vijana ambaye hawajahusika kwa hiyo jambo, ndio waliweka ndani.
Area yetu ya Bangali au tuseme Burako Station, ukweli ya mambo, silaha yamejaa. Kila siku mchana na usiku tunasikia silaha na sauti ya risasi. Ndio kila wakati roho yetu anatetemeka. Watoto wameshinda kusoma, kina mama wameshinda kukata kuni.
Anabadilika tofauti. Leo jamii fulani inaoa, kesho jamii fulani inaoa, kesho kutwa jamii fulani inaoa, mpaka mambo ameharibika, mpaka serikali atoka kutoka Mombasa. Lakini kitu mimi nasema, serikali mimi nasema hawezi leta amani. Watu wanaleta amani ni nani? Wananchi.
Mancho murigaria narayo twa kwarigandia senjira yobwenge na boigo narayo togandete ko kwarigania ase studio ya kabero chiko ya nyora senjira boikirano ikorogense yamo na isato chia bono botukonche kwa Clinton Ndigi tomerane nanda sembe nya saika wanja kurenda sebonega gendra kutwale margo bento eru na kuigo kiane mirobire gendra ta sembe yen Soko TV.